Alright y'all, the website is officially up, www.TheIceKonnect.com. Now we can offer y'all more secure checkout, because I know a lot of y'all wasn't comfortable coming to the Instagram DM, sending over cash, Apple Pay, or Zelle, but no scams at all. My customers are tagged from watches to pendants. You can go on their page and see that. You're more than welcome to DM them. You can check out the highlights on my page. My customers tagging me there, same pendants and watches that's on the page. Online, we got everything listed, still updating the stock, but we got a couple Cubans, couple rings, couple bracelets, couple watches, Moissanite Lab, Swiss movement, Japan movement. If you didn't see the last video, y'all can go back and watch that, and I go over what's the difference between Swiss and Japan. But Swiss is authentic size watch, like to a real Cartier watch, real AP, and Japan is a little bit thicker. You can email us here if you got any questions. We get back to you, text or by email. And I see all the comments or about y'all asking questions. So we got a frequently asked questions page on here so that y'all can basically find the answers that y'all looking for. If it's anything else, like I continue to update the page, or one of us update the page so y'all can see the difference. But yeah, so for now on, we are offering Moissanite Lab Diamond grills. This is a Lab Diamond grill. So if you're interested in that, you can DM the page, because we don't got it on a website yet. So you have to DM us to get the pricing, as far as 925 silver or 10 karat gold, yellow gold, because everything will be different pricing. Silver and Moissanite obviously be cheaper. Lab diamonds would be a little more, but you can put that on silver too, or you can go with the natural gold 10 karat, 14 karat. I got the diamond tester here just to show y'all something. These stones are a little small, so it might be kind of hard to get. Yeah, see, it's touching metal, but everything check out, man, at the IceKonnect. And I got a Moissanite Cartier watch here that I just got in for a customer that's getting delivered today. That's why I'm making a video now, so I can show y'all. But you know, I showed y'all in the last video, the watch come with the box, it comes with the book, come with the authentic box. So this the quality, this the Moissanite, this is Arabic dial. This is one of my favorite ones with the Arabic dial. Over here, got a two-tone Cartier Moissanite stones. It hit hard too. I'm gonna diamond test these for y'all too, so y'all can see that they do pass the diamond tester. So everything check out for y'all that was wondering. IceKonnect, hit the big stones on the side. So yeah, like I said, website up. You're looking for a better deal, you have to pay us through Cash App, Apple Pay, Zelle. All customers are tagged, no scams. You're more than welcome to DM them, check the highlights. Just shoot us a message and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.